Welcome to today's PowerPoint tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create and format a basic slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. We'll cover adding text, images, and customizing colors and fonts to make your slides look polished. Let's get started. Step-by-step instructions. Creating a new slide. To start, open a blank presentation or add a new slide by going to the Home tab and clicking New Slide. You can choose from a variety of layouts such as Title Slide, Title and Content, or To Content. For this example, let's use Title and Content. Adding text. Click on the title box and type in your slide title. For example, Project Overview. Then, click on the content box below and add any relevant information. PowerPoint lets you easily adjust text size and alignment to fit the content. Inserting an image. To add an image, go to the Insert tab, then select Pictures. You can insert an image from your device or choose online options. Once the image is on your slide, resize and position it as needed. Changing slide background color. To change the background color, right-click on the slide and select Format Background. You can choose from solid colors, gradients, or even insert a background image for a custom look. For a professional appearance, pick colors that complement your theme. Customizing fonts and colors. You can customize fonts and colors to match your brand or presentation style. Select the text, then go to the Home tab to change the font size and color. Consistent formatting helps make your slides look polished and professional. Adding shapes and icons. To add visual elements, go to the Insert tab and choose Shapes or Icons. These can be used to highlight key points or make the slide more engaging. Simply click on a shape or icon, place it on your slide, and customize its color and size as needed. Closing, and that's it. Now you know how to create and format a basic slide in PowerPoint. With these tools, you can start building professional-looking presentations in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any PowerPoint tips you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching.